Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. See, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to release soon, but in this video we're going to discuss about all the confirmed features of this mobile. Starting with the display, according to the all the news till now, that this mobile is going to come with a 6.9 inches of Quad HD plus resolution LTPO 120Hz refresh display, but similar to the previous models display size and tech, but according to the technology, this is going to use a M14 panel, which gives you vibrant colors and better color accuracy in content consumption. And also this mobile is going to come with a privacy screen, which hides the mobile screen for the beside mobiles who are sitting beside you. And yeah, that's about the display. When we talk about the processor, obviously this mobile is going to come with a specially made for Galaxy processor from Snapdragon. That is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which is a slightly overclocked version and slightly tweaked version for the Galaxy mobiles especially. And this mobile is also going to come to the there are news till now that this mobile might come to the LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM, which is used in the OnePlus 15 Ultra variant, I mean the 16GB RAM mobile variant. And it is also going to come to the UFS 5.0, like UFS 4.1 increased to UFS 5.0 with a much increased read and write speeds for the AI and stuff. When we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in mostly 12GB RAM, 256, 12GB RAM, 512GB and 1TB internal storage with 16GB of RAM. There are rumors like that this mobile might not come with the 2TB variant because of the chip and RAM shortages everywhere around the globe, as we are seeing these days. So that's the one thing which needs to confirm from the Samsung side. And when we talk about the camera, there is not a physical changes in this mobile, but there are some minor tweaks about the the main camera, which is a slightly increased aperture, and also in the selfie camera slightly increased field of view. So basically this mobile is going to come with a triple camera setup at the rear side, quad camera setup at the rear side, a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and also a 10 megapixels of periscopic lens. We can shoot up to 8K 30, but some news says that this mobile might support 8K 60 FPS also. So there are some rumors says that this mobile might comes with a 24 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and some of the rumors also says that this mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera for the increased field of view. We can also see some renders out in the news, and it is revolving around the internet, like comparing of the S25 Ultra with the S26 Ultra's selfie camera. When we talk about the battery, to power this beast mobile we need a bigger battery or a very optimized battery. That this mobile might comes with some rumor says that this mobile might comes with a 5500 milliamps of battery, but the charging speed is 60 watts of charging, which is increased from 45 watt to 60 watt. And some rumors says that this mobile might stick with the 5000 mAh battery till now also. But it also going to come with a Qi2 magnet support, like the iPhones have the magnets like at the backside. So that's the thing which is improved from the previous generation to this generation. And also it is going to support 25 watts of fast wireless charge. So that's also an improvement. When we talk about other features of this mobile, like this mobile comes with the latest features. When we talk about the operating system, yeah, obviously this mobile is going to come with the Android version 16 out of the box with the One UI 8.5, which is the most precious or the good and #1 UI in Android till now. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like this mobile is going to come to the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band phase support and Bluetooth 6.0 and NFC. It also comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. And this mobile is also going to come to the USB 3.2 Gen 1, which also supports Elgato and streaming devices like that you can also connect. And this mobile is also going to comes with a improved camera plateau. They call it as a camera plateau. So just as a refinement from the just as a improvement from the previous mobile. And this one is also going to come with the slightly rounded corners than the sharp edge corners compared to the S25 Ultra. So it is also one, I think, improvement. But the downgrade which I feel is this mobile might comes with a aluminum frame like iPhone 17 series mobiles, but I feel it's a downgrade from the titanium to this one. But keeping in that mind also, this mobile is going to be a 8 to 10 grams lighter than the S25 Ultra. So let's see till the mobile is till the time of this mobile release. Oh, by the way, this mobile is going to release on February 25th in the unpacked event of the Samsung. But this mobile is might comes to the sale on second week of March from that time. So do let me know in the comment section down below who are going to buy this mobile and who are very eagerly waiting for this mobile. So that's for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.